This is Iskar Schofield again. I'm doing a Nerf gun review. This time I'm reviewing the Nerf Strike Elite XD Strife. As you can see, it's a different paint job from the other XDs. It's orange and white instead of white and blue. I got this at Walmart for 10 bucks. Cost a couple extra bucks for the batteries. Overall with the batteries like 14.10. Really good deal. The original price on this without the batteries was 20 bucks, and it's actually a pretty good deal even at that. The Strife, the original Strike Elite Strife, was had great reviews. For that, luck to Nerf Boy Productions. I don't have that gun. So right now I'm going to review the aesthetics of it. The paint job is a lot better than some of the Strike XDs. The lines on the paint between the orange and the white are nice and distinct. You can see them really well, and they're not all fuzzy like they've been lasered on. It's got two tactical rail attachments, one here and one here. It's got a place where you can attach a barrel, as you can see, and a stock attachment point. It's also got two sling mounts, one on the handle, one right above the barrel, which I'm okay with the placement, but it's not my favorite. The handle, I think it's probably because of my size of hand. I mean, it's kind of big, a little bit bigger than some Nerfers. The handle's a little bit small for me, but other Nerfers might not have a problem with that. It's a flywheel blaster, which you can hear. One thing I like about it though is the clip release is really smooth. Comes with a 6-round clip. It's the Elite version. Has the clear orange on one side and the regular orange on the other. It says Nerf in nice bold black letters on both sides. But it only says Strife on one side. That, as usual, is what they do with the Strike Elites. But no complaining, right? So it takes 4 AA batteries. You put them here on this side of the blaster, right side. It holds, like I said, 6 darts. And for the firing test, I'm going to be using the Strike Elite blue streamline darts. They work pretty good. This will shoot anything that's a streamline dart, pretty much. It'll shoot the zombie strike darts, which I'll show you in a moment, and it'll also shoot the old Strike streamline darts, and I do believe it'll shoot the new Strike Elite streamline suction cup darts. And I did an experiment earlier, so whether or not flywheel blasters could shoot Boomco darts, and I do believe this one might be able to. I don't know. I'll test it out in another video sometime soon. For now, I'm going to show you the rate of fire. This thing revs up in about 3 seconds. I'll count it off for you. There you go, 3-second rev up. As you can hear, it's kind of loud. The Strife, even with the old version, was known for being a little bit loud. Not the quietest gun you can buy. For that, I don't really know which one is the quietest. Again, I refer to Nerf Boy Productions. Check a whole bunch of reviews, look it up. This gun has a great rate of fire. It shoots as fast as you can pull the trigger, just like all the other flywheel blasters. And I'll show you how fast it shoots. That was 6 darts, and it lasted in like 2 seconds. So shoots roughly 3.5 darts a second, depending on how fast you can pull the trigger. And the really awesome thing about this is you can customize it. So say if you want to go for a whole lot of capacity, then you can use the drum from the Rampage. Just clip it in. It's a clip system gun, so that'll work. If you've got the XD Retaliator, or any of the other Retaliator, the Elite Retaliator I mean, you can take the barrel and the stock. And add those on there. It looks a lot like the XD Retaliator actually, just a different paint job, and it's a flywheel blaster. Another thing that really kind of comes in handy and is really nice so you don't waste batteries, it won't rev up unless you have the clip in there. So put a clip in, it'll rev up. Another thing that it has as a safety feature is it won't rev up if you've got the jam door open. So you have to have the jam door closed and a clip in before it'll rev up, which is nice and a little annoying sometimes if you are trying to get it to fire sometimes, but you know, that's for your safety so you don't get your finger cut in the flywheel. Oops. Each barrel has its own advantages. This one has 2 tactical rails, and that can come in handy for sights, like this laser sight from the Recon, which works pretty well. I actually really like this sight because it's really accurate. Also, it depends on kind of what gun you use. This is the clip from the Retaliator. It's a 12 dart clip. It doubles your capacity from what this comes with. But what I personally like to do, since that barrel drops in ranges quite a bit compared to some of the other ones, I like to use this one that improves your accuracy some without messing with the ranges a whole lot. So that's really nice. Another thing that I like to mention is the stock. This is a bit of a smaller stock, and as you can see, it's pretty small on me. Smaller Nerfers, it's going to be a lot better. I mean, if you gave, this would be probably about a size. The stock I use is the one from the old Strike Recon. It's a little bit bigger, and for me it's a little bit more comfortable. I don't have to bend my elbow as much. And it holds an extra 6-round clip. So it always comes in handy in a Nerf war. Another thing that you can do is you can add this tactical grip right here, so you can have more stability while you're shooting, and it really comes in handy. And I said before that I was going to show you how it shoots the Nerf zombie strike darts, so I'll do that now. I don't have a full clip, I've only got 5, so I'm going to shoot them off real quick. And actually shoots them pretty nice. That was 5 darts. So as you can see, awesome rate of fire, pretty good paint job, and great performance. I have done some firing tests on this and some range tests outside, and the ranges it's getting are actually pretty nice. Flat, it gets about 75 feet, which is about par for an Strike Elite gun if you're looking for claimed ranges. Since it's an XD, that's not the claimed ranges. But if you angle it just a bit, it'll get those 90-foot ranges and no problem. The mag release actually is right here. So you just hit that with your finger, pull out the clip. Really nice, I like it. Also, so you can hit with your thumb, just pull the mag out. Real easy. And yeah, this is my review. The Strike Elite XD Strife. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, comment in the comments below. See you next time.